Hi friends, my name is Dhvanay. Welcome to Animate CC class. Now today I will show you how to make a large cartoon. Okay, a large cartoon in Animate CC. Now see this. I will show you to make the cartoon like this. Create a new fresh document. First you open Animate CC. Go to file, new and click on OK. Okay. File menu, new and click on OK. A new fresh document appears as flash untitled one. Now let's ensure this size and take a picture of the cartoon road. You search it on Google Chrome or web. Okay. Cartoon road background. Okay. Now today let's make one car. For that we need this landscape road. Right click on that road, copy image from Google or web and right click and paste in center in Animate CC. Now press Ctrl K or you go to align by Windows menu and align. Okay, here Windows menu and click on align. Here it is written match the size this and this. If you do, so you do like this, space should be both, all in last line. Now see, select this, copy, paste in place. Press shift key and hold it and move it where you want to move. I will move it and ensure this. Again use two more pieces, right click, copy, right click on plane and paste in center or paste in place, or you keep it as like this only and one more, or keep on shift plus alt and you use like this. Now you select the all 8 background, press shift key and hold it and move it left side as last one should be at stage. Okay, select this fully by decreasing the size. Press F8 for symbol and you use type as graphic. I will name it as road, like this. Here is the road. Even I will not in the road. Okay, now you use as like this. Okay. Now double click on the layer number 1 and you rename it as background. Okay, then put or take out the 3 more layers, 1, 2 and 3. Layer 2, layer 3 and layer 4. Let's make a car in layer number 2. Let's lock and don't hide this layer number background, which is layer number 1. Make one car. Okay, like this I will make. Go to properties and you use a stroke as black. Press S for ink bottle tool and use for both, and the fill should be in any color. Press K for paint bucket tool and you fill it like this. Okay, stroke, press S for ink bottle tool and it should be in black color and make 1 or 2 rectangles like this. Okay, as you remember it, press V for selection tool. Select this, double click on this and press Alt plus Shift to move it little bit and ensure it. Okay, make the two circles on the front of the car for light. Press K for paint bucket tool and color the lights in yellow color. Color the bottom part in blue color. Color the top part in red color, and now this one is over in layer 2. Let's make the two wheels like this, front wheel and back wheel. Let's make a front wheel. It should be properly like this. Lock the layer 2, select this, keep it outside this stage and make some lines like this. Not here, it should be as here and here. Press V for selection tool, press Shift key and hold it and select all these lines, the outlines outside the circle, and press for delete key to delete it. Press K for paint bucket tool. I will color it in the many colors as I like. Okay. Let me use orange here or this orange. Let me use the dark blue here. Fill and stroke. Let me use here the dark green color. Let me use one more as purple color. As I used twice, press V for selection tool and move it little bit like this. Select this, delete key, press K again, and I will use it in red color. Now, using free transform tool shortcut key Q, go here, press F8 for symbol. Click on OK. I will enlarge this size. Copy it by pressing on Ctrl C. I will paste it in layer number 4. Ctrl Shift V or right click, paste in place outside the format. Now unlock the layer 2, layer 3, layer 4. Don't unlock the background and you convert it into symbol. Press F8 and click on Enter key. Select the whole car. Ensure like this, as it should be in left side, not in right side. Select this, keep it in left of the lines. Ensure the size, unlock the background. Now go to 10th frame number, 10th second frame, press F6 there. Now select this, press Shift key and hold it and move it as right side to it. And right click on the background, create classic twin. Let's move wheels. Okay. Select right click classic twin. Go to first frame and rotate as CCW, continue clockwise, as I will use it as 14. Here also 14. In layer number 2 also, here continue clockwise. You don't use 1, use 14. Like this. Now see how it moves. I will undo. I will use layer 4. Create classic queen. Here continue clockwise 14. Now see. Okay. Like this. When we will do it or put it here. Okay. Now we made one card here. Let's make a cartoon. Go to File, Export, Export Video. Ignore the straight color. Go to Browse and you export it as CAR, car running, car run. Okay. And click on Save. Always you save it on desktop. And click on Save. Then click on Export. Minimize this and do it later like this. Now see, here it is a car run MOV. Always use it any player. Okay. Now see, then to make a huge cartoon, you can also produce some sounds as I have done it. First, you convert MOV file to MP4 file. Okay. Okay. To use that, first I will open the Word document. Okay. Yes. Now see, I don't have this, so you search it on Google or web that how to convert .mov to .mp4 file. Okay, and press on enter key, and you use here MOV to MP4 to converter freeconvert.com. Use this link to create. Click on this link in Google or web. Okay, and choose the files which you want. But I will use from desktop the shape skin.mov that I have done and convert it to MP4. Convert to MP4 like this. Now when it converted, it will take some time as it is on fixed transmitted amount, and download MP4 here when it is already done, and open the file and you use it as movies and TV. Okay, where is that file? It is in downloads. Use file explorer and you work it on downloads. .mp4, right click, open with any DVD or any player. Not this, not shape scene, but I will use car run. Okay. Again one more file. Where is that? convert more files. From MOV to MP4, choose the files. Then I will use carrun.mov where I have renamed it. Convert to MP4 always. Convert it. Ready. It will upload, and when it is converted you can download it. Okay. It will take some time when it is too heavy file. Okay. Till that, see how it is running. I will show you. Control plus enter key. It is running very fast. Like this we will see on TV or MP4 file. Okay. Then it is uploading. It is fully upload that it will convert it, and when one is converted, download MP4, open it and play it. When you don't know how to play it, right click, show in folder, right click on that, open with any DVD. Okay. Now see, you can see this video very properly. Okay. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want to save on desktop, drag it and drop it on desktop from downloads. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.